My name is Anthony, and in this study, we look at the occurrence of simple stupid bugs, or better known as stubs, in unit test files. Unit testing is an essential part of the software quality process. In this study, we explore the quality of test suites from a functional and non-functional perspective to help developers understand the potential areas of quality concerns in test code and provide tool vendors with the opportunity to empower the community with improved code maintenance tools. Stubs can be thought of as functional issues, and to this extent, we compare the occurrence of stubs in test and non-test files. From a non-functional perspective, we examine the co-occurrence of test smells and stubs. A tangible outcome from this study is a publicly available dataset of test smells and stubs. To answer our research questions, we utilize the Many Stubs for J dataset of Maven projects. We cloned the repositories and extracted all files containing stub fixes. From these files, we compared the volume and types of stubs occurring in unit test and production files. We observed that stubs are more frequent in production files than test files. From around 5,500 Java files containing stub fixes, approximately 19% of these files were unit test files. When examining the source code containing stub fixes, we observe specific patterns between the code behavior and the fix. For instance, in test files, developers alter assertion statements and mocking objects as part of fixing stubs. For our non-functional analysis, we utilize TS-Detect, an open-source test smells detection tool, to identify test smells exhibited in the test files. Our findings show the presence of test smells in files containing stub fixes, with assertion roulette being the most common smell type exhibited by such files. We also observe that the stub type change numeric literal frequently occurs in smelly test files. And finally, we observe that developers rarely remove test smells when fixing stubs. As an exploratory study, we show the potential for future research in this area, especially around how developers treat test suites. Our observation of a low occurrence of stubs in test files is a reason for concern and needs a more in-depth study. Our study also shows the potential for code quality tools that exploit the relationships between stubs and code behavior using static analysis techniques. Tools can either warn developers or automatically update test cases based on fixes to the production code. Furthermore, these tools can proactively notify developers of potential issues based on the existence of test smells or specific statements. And with that, I come to the end of my presentation. Thank you.